Good Monday morning. This is the NorthOps Fire Weather Webcast for August 18th, 2025. Mid-level water vapor imagery with satellite-derived lightning shows showers and thunderstorms across the northeast corner of NorthOps Sunday evening. The larger scale parent trough remains centered over the eastern Pacific. The leading edge of a shortwave trough in southerly flow is currently moving northward across and west of South Ops as the overall flow over California shifts to more southerly. True color visible satellite imagery with surface observations shows notably lower dew points across the Sacramento Valley this morning in the upper 40s to lower 50s. A fair amount of low cloudiness is present across many of the inland valleys west of the Sacramento Valley under a southeasterly ridgetop flow. 67 lightning strikes were observed in the 24-hour period ending at 0700 this morning, with all of the strikes northeast of Lassen National Park to the Warners and into Washoe County. 24-hour radar estimated precipitation with gauge reports indicates some rainfall occurred yesterday with the showers and thunderstorms, though not much. However, it should be noted that radar coverage is poor in the area that received the activity and that RAWs are again missing from this map. Here are reliable gauge reports from MesoWest for the past 24 hours for California that include RAWs indicating a few hundredths to around a tenth of an inch fell. Today's 6E Ensemble GFS 20,000 foot level forecast shows the upper level trough lingering across NorthOps this morning and the low west of South Ops. Both lift northward today as southerly flow accelerates aloft. Some shortwave trough energy moves through the flow Tuesday through Wednesday as the Four Corners high gradually expands westward. Thursday through next weekend, fairly strong high pressure for this time of the year will be over the area. A bit of troughing from the Pacific is likely to weaken the ridge slightly next Monday. The GACC Wharf wind and RH forecast shows mostly high RHs from the Sacramento Valley westward this morning, with some low to moderate RHs across the higher elevations of the Bay Area on the western rim of the Sacramento Valley and from the Cascades and Sierra foothills eastward. A general west to southeast flow is present from south to north. Westerly through southerly flow will again become breezy to locally windy through and around the Bay Area and across the north to northeast this afternoon to evening, but will generally be lighter than yesterday. Min RHs will be lower than yesterday's. A similar pattern is expected tonight, but with notably more widespread poor to moderate RH recoveries across most areas. Tuesday afternoon, RHs dip into the single digits and teens across some of the well interior valleys and north through east of the Sierras, with breezy to locally windy westerlies again in and around the Bay Area and across the northeast. A lot of poor to moderate RH recoveries are again expected Wednesday morning, followed by very dry conditions again across the interior Wednesday, but with light winds except west of the Sacramento Valley. Mean sea level pressure and 10,000 to 30,000 foot level moisture and winds from the GFS show increasing southerly flow over the area today through early Tuesday, but with a dry air mass. Swift southerly flow and fairly dry conditions continue Tuesday through Wednesday morning, turning southwest, with further drying Wednesday afternoon into Thursday. Thursday afternoon through this weekend, some subtropical moisture arrives from the southeast and then gets bumped into the Great Basin. 0Z EC lightning flash density forecast shows lightning potential Friday afternoon to evening from Lake Tahoe south and eastward. This expands a bit north and westward Saturday afternoon to evening. Sunday through next Monday, a lesser potential is indicated though with some across far northwest areas. The CNRFC 6-day precipitation forecast in 24-hour increments shows some light rain or drizzle possible across the northwest valleys this morning. Marine layer precipitation in the Bay Area early Tuesday and Tuesday night. Dry conditions Wednesday and Thursday, and some non-wetting amounts possible Friday and Saturday with the possible thunderstorms. The NorthOps 7-day significant fire potential outlook shows low risk today through Wednesday. Moderate risk returns Thursday through the weekend as a late season heat wave develops, along with some lightning potential. SouthOps is forecasting low risk or less through Tuesday. Increasing significant fire risk is expected Wednesday through the weekend, with moderate to heavy initial attack anticipated per their forecast. High risks have been issued for exceptional burning environment conditions across the west, east, and southern mountains Thursday through Saturday. In summary, high pressure will slowly build through Wednesday with a couple of dry shortwave troughs moving through in southerly flow. South through west winds will be breezy to windy each afternoon to evening in some areas early this week with an overall drying trend. A late season heat wave is expected Thursday through next Monday with temperatures 10 to 20 degrees above normal across inland areas. Thunderstorm potential returns Friday into next weekend from the Sierras and Lassen eastward, though there is a very slight chance further northwest early next week. This concludes today's Fire Weather Webcast.